Hello skaters! In today's video we are going to go through a turns and steps warm-up for more advanced skaters, those of you already comfortable with rockers, counters, Choctaws and brackets. We'll begin with a combination using brackets and Choctaws. Start with a right forward inside bracket, exiting on a right backward outside edge, and immediately follow with a right backward outside to left forward inside Choctaw. From there, step into a right forward inside edge, switch legs and repeat on the left side. Left forward inside bracket, exiting on a left backward outside edge, and into a left backward outside to right forward inside Choctaw. Now let's try a more challenging variation by adding power pull and counter. Start with a right forward outside edge, do a power pull to right forward inside edge, and on top of the next circle, execute a right forward inside bracket, exiting on a right backward outside edge. On the axis, step from right backward outside to left forward inside Choctaw. Immediately continue around the circle and again on the axis, perform a left forward inside counter, exiting on a left backward inside edge. Then step into a left backward inside to right forward outside Choctaw. Glide on a right forward outside edge, then do a forward cross roll to left forward outside edge and repeat the same sequence starting from the left leg. Power pull from left forward outside to left forward inside, left forward inside bracket at the top of the circle, exit to left backward outside edge. Left backward outside to right forward inside Choctaw, right forward inside counter, exiting to the right backward inside edge, and finally right backward inside to left forward outside Choctaw. Keep repeating this sequence, alternating legs across the ice. If you are just starting your figure skating journey, be sure to check out my Figure Skating Foundations video course on styleskating.com. This course is designed especially for beginner skaters and covers all the essential skills, from basic edges, steps and turns to beginner spins and jumps. With in-depth tutorials and step-by-step instructions, you will build strong fundamentals and gain the confidence to progress to more advanced elements. By the end of the course, you will be a well-rounded skater with a solid technical base. Click the link above or check the description below to learn more and join the video course membership today. Our next exercise begins with a left backward outside to right forward inside Choctaw, followed by a right forward inside to right backward inside counter. From there, do a 2-foot transition, then push to a right backward outside edge, leading into a right backward outside to left forward inside Choctaw, immediately followed by a left forward inside to left backward inside counter. Do another 2-foot transition, push to a left backward outside edge, and repeat the sequence again. Our next exercise starts with a left forward outside rocker. After the rocker, glide on the left backward outside edge and then step into a left backward outside to right forward inside Choctaw. Next, switch feet and step onto a left forward inside edge, going into a left forward inside to right backward outside Choctaw. Finish the combination with a right backward outside to right forward outside counter. Now repeat the sequence on the other side. Start with a right forward outside rocker, exiting on a right backward outside edge. Check your shoulders before stepping into a right backward outside to left forward inside Choctaw. Switch legs again, stepping onto a right forward inside edge, and perform a right forward inside to left backward outside Choctaw. Immediately finish with a left backward outside counter. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials to help you grow as a skater. Also, be sure to check the link above or the description below to explore my YouTube membership options, where you will get access to exclusive content, and you can even email me directly with your skating questions or request a video on the element of your choice. Now let's move on to a challenging step sequence using rockers and Choctaws, focusing on deep edges, twist positions, and upper body control. We will start with a right backward outside rocker, exiting on a right forward outside edge. Immediately step into a right forward outside to left backward inside Choctaw. Glide around the next half circle on the left backward inside edge. On the axis, do a 2-foot transition and begin a backward crossover from left backward outside to right backward inside on a new circle. As you finish the crossover, rotate your upper body to the outside of the circle and on the axis, execute a right backward inside rocker, exiting on a right forward inside edge. Then step into a right forward inside to left backward outside Choctaw, gliding around on the left backward outside edge to complete the half circle. From there, push into a right backward outside edge, then again into a left backward outside edge and start the sequence from the other foot. Begin with a left backward outside rocker, exiting on a left forward outside edge. Swing your free leg through, then step into a left forward outside to right backward inside Choctaw. Finish the half circle on the right backward inside edge, step into a 2-foot transition on the axis and begin the crossover, right backward outside to left backward inside. Rotate your upper body again to the outside of the circle and perform a left backward inside rocker, exiting on a left forward inside edge. Immediately step into a left forward inside to right backward outside Choctaw to complete the sequence. This combination is excellent for developing deep edge control, twist positions, and precise upper body checks. That wraps up today's advanced warm-up with rockers, counters, Choctaws, and complex transitions. These kinds of sequences are not only a great way to challenge yourself, but they also help develop strong fundamentals, deep edge control, smooth weight transfer, proper extension, and upper body discipline. As you work through these exercises, remember to practice them often and in both directions. Skating in both directions will help you become a well-rounded, balanced skater, which is essential for mastering more advanced elements in the future. Pay close attention to your edges, posture, and extension throughout each sequence. Try to maintain clean, confident turns and controlled transitions. This is what gives your skating power, precision, and flow. Let me know in the comments which part of the sequence was the most challenging or which turn you are working on right now. I'd love to hear how your training is going. Thanks for skating with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.